will serve as Live Aid's production manager in its 35th installment. And let me introduce to you from batch 2K22.1, let us call on stage UP Samascom's current president, Ms. MJ Caraan. Hi MJ, good morning. And then up next, one of our panelists as well. I think if you're into drag, you've definitely seen her perform. Our next speaker is an international drag performer whose works have been featured in art festivals and exhibits around the world. Much like Live Aid, she is known for using drag to make a statement, amplifying her advocacies and shaking up the status quo. Let us all welcome from UP Samascom batch 2K17.2, Mrs. Tan. Oh, ganda! And up next, our third panelist or speaker for today. Our next speaker is a trailblazer in the country's LGBTQIA+ community. She's the first transgender woman to win Best Supporting Actress in the history of Metro Manila Film Festival, first trans woman news anchor of the Philippines, VP Choice Awards 2024 News Anchor of the Year, one of Cosmopolitan Philippines Women of Influence 2024, TV host, endorser, and LGBT rights advocate. She also graduated magna cum laude with a degree in broadcast communication here in UP Diliman, performing on Live Aid stage since Live Aid 23, so more than 10 shows na siya kasali. From UP Samascom batch 2K6.2, the one-woman wonder, Miss Jeremy Wrightson, aka Karen Karen. Good morning, Miss Karen Karen. All right. And finally, our last speaker for today, our last speaker is not only embraced the legacy of bold satire and fearless humor of UP Samascom, but also honed his craft in writing and storytelling on TV, film, streaming, and theater. Ladies and gentlemen, our director for Live Aid's A Laugh Story from UP Samascom batch 2K5.1, Kenneth De Leon. All right, now that we have our panelists, again, we'll proceed.